And welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Shay J. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. So today we pulling up to Fitness Connection in Arlington, Texas for this takeover, hosted by B. Ellis and my boy, what's his name? Scary Terry, yeah. So I'm excited. Check out my other videos. We rocking the GT Cut 3s today. Let's get straight into it.
But no, respect. What up, bro? Why the fuck I know you? Why the fuck I see you before?
You said Jordan Wall. It is big enough though. It is big enough.
What did he say?
Yeah, but our court we play on, it's about this size. So.
Future superstar in the making, you heard me, with another future superstar in the making.
Amen.
Amen. Oh, man, I rap, man. I don't play basketball.
Oh, you rap? Rap battle.
Rap battle.
continue the clip. Just know, your boy thought this was gonna be his moment. For some reason, my cameraman wasn't able to capture the end of this game. And so, B. Ellis already posted this video by the time I'm editing it. So, he posted the game that we played him on. And so, I took the very end clips of what happens after this possession and just downloaded it and just got that little clip and put it at the end of this video. So, B. Ellis, if you're watching this, I hope it's okay that I took like 2 minutes of the end of the clip just to put it to the video to show y'all who won this game.
Go T, go T. Right now, take it. Down, God. Come here. Oh. You're right. Go under, Jordan. Help him, see I got you help.
Man, this experience was so fun. I really appreciate B. Ellis and Scary Terry for hosting these runs. Hopefully one day I'm able to play B. Ellis 1v1 by God's grace, God willing. But B. Ellis, if you're watching this video, appreciate you coming out, man. You nice, you tough. Let's run it one day. Next time you're in Dallas, Texas, hit me up. And also, if you need a cameraman, I'm also a photographer, videographer on the side. Just by the quality of this video, that's my camera. I set those settings. I just had a very close friend of mine to record. He did a great job. And so, if you're back in Dallas and you need a photographer, videographer, hit me up. If you want to play 1v1s, hit me up. And for all the new viewers that watch B. Ellis and came onto my page, check me out. Check your boy Shay J out. Look at my journey to playing college basketball. Look at all my reaction content. Subscribe, like, join the Shea Butter gang, you feel me? And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you don't know this, there's a phrase I use at the end of my videos, in my videos, at the beginning of my videos. And it's just a word that means a lot to me. It's a big part of my story. All it means is continue to be great. And I end all my videos just like this. And what we like to say, Shakoon Butter. Y'all continue to be great.